Okay, can't do an intro video right now because our bus is right there. Well, I see it pulling in, so I'll check back with you in there. So we made the bus ride. That was a run and a half. But we got on.
Or to the side and remain clear of the doors and stairwells.
Yeah, I think we're here for rope drop because no ones have gone in yet. So it's rare that we make it to rope drop all the time. We make it right after rope drop when everybody goes in. Wow, look at that.
One more. Make a big 5 for me.
Nope, no purple. Never been to Epcot's rope drop before, so this is kind of interesting. Definitely not a fan of rope drop. Just waiting this big, massive crowd to get in. It's kind of like waiting in a line to wait in a line. So first on the list is the land to go on soaring around the world. Yeah, soaring was not bad. 10-minute wait. And then since we're right here, we're gonna go Living with the Land, which is my favorite ride, which a lot of my friends laugh and think I'm joking, but that's actually one of my favorite rides.
These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice. Account produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce.
Okay, now on to what we're really here for. Okay, what do we get here? Scallops. What is that? The pound cake with ice cream? And what's that, lamb? Or no, you don't like lamb. Just regular beef? Beef, how is it made?
I don't know. Tenderloin.
Tenderloin. Now the pound cake. Pound cake, huh? It's good, it has like a peach puree or a pure like sauce or something. And it's grilled too. Or fried. It's like a little caramelized, yeah? It's good. I like it. Interesting, I might eat my ice cream and corn now. Scallops are definitely vinegary. Whew. I like vinegar, but it's a little bit too much vinegar. This is the winners so far. Ice cream. Yeah, corn ice cream. Dude, I'm loving it. Very good. Now we're off to Germany. I want to try those potato pancakes. So I think this is the pretzel bread, and that's the potato pancakes. Looks different than Canada's one, yeah? They put looks like sauerkraut, but it's supposed to be grilled onions and ham. And I don't know what this is. Ham? Cheese?
Ham.
I think this the pretzel one is the best, the winner here. I like the pretzel better. It's like a smoked bacon. The ham. That one, I don't know. I can't really taste the flavors of it, yeah? We have dinner reservations at Yachtsman. So out of Epcot, we're just gonna walk over to Yacht and Beach Club to eat dinner at Yachtsman. Instead of walking, we're gonna catch the ferry. It's not Beach Club, it's actually Yacht Club.
Welcome aboard Bridge 5. We're on our way to Disney's Hollywood Studios. We'll make 3 resort stops along the way at the Boardwalk Yacht Beach Club and the Swan and Dolphin. And then our final destination of Hollywood Studios. For your safety, we do ask that you please remain seated. If you're standing, hold on to a handrail. And for the comfort of everyone on board, no smoking, please.
is our first time actually coming to Yacht and Beach Club. We've never been here before, so this is gonna be like a very what is this? I guess new experience for us, basically. First time eating elk, so I ordered the elk, and yeah, and the dishes come all with sides. Where in Hawaii there's like Ruth's Chris or even DK Steakhouse, which are a la carte, so you have to order everything individually. This one comes with everything, so that's a plus, and it's actually cheaper too than our steak houses back at home. So hopefully elk is supposed to be leaner and better. I like ribeye. I like dry aged ribeye. But this one is supposed to be like our waiter's favorite, so never tried out before either. We'll see how it goes.